To make a slip knot, lay your yarn flat on a surface like this. There's going to be an end that's coming from the ball, and then there's going to be an end that's free. We're going to work with the end that's free, and we're gonna make a loop. To make a loop, you want to grab the end that's free, come down and around, and cross it over itself. From here, you're going to grab the top of this loop and fold it behind. Now you should have something that looks a little bit like a pretzel. Now we're going to pick up this part of the yarn and this part of the yarn. Take one of your hands and make a pinching motion and grab this part of the yarn. And then take your other hand and do the same pinching motion and grab the other part of the yarn. Now slowly pull these two together and you'll see a knot start to form. When it gets tight, but not too tight, you can stop. At this point, you'll have a pretty big loop, but I'll show you how to adjust that now. Go ahead and grab your crochet hook and pick up the loop and put your hook inside the loop. From here, what you'll notice is if you pull on the yarn coming from the ball, we're able to tighten and modify the size of the loop. You don't need to pull it too tight, just enough so it's snug on your hook like that. And that's how you make a slip knot.